Hello, welcome back. Today's nail tutorial is a cracked marble stamping nail tutorial. This is using all regular nail polishes. So I'm beginning off with a regular white base. This is my SE Blanc nail polish. I do have 2 dips of clear dip powder on my nails already. That's just because I have incredibly weak nails and didn't want to have to deal with them snapping halfway through. So that is not a necessary step unless you really want to. Go ahead, I'm not going to stop you. I'm not even going to try and stop you. So I'm just doing 2 layers of the white nail polish as a base. So the inspiration for this video was, if you're anything like me, you have 1,000,001 random nail polishes from like 10 years ago just hanging around, and I wanted to make use of some of these. Now I know not all regular polishes can be used for stamping. I did try this out beforehand on a swatch stick, so just an idea if you are wanting to replicate this. And I noticed that I had a collection of like really old gunky nail polishes that were absolutely perfect for stamping, so that is what I am showing you today. Does anyone else really struggle with putting on a regular nail polish, or is it just me? Like, gel and dip powder liquids are so much easier to apply, whereas a regular nail polish just goes wherever it wants to go and there is no control. Even though the brush on this one is actually quite fantastic. I'll be completely honest with you, there is a bottle of nail polish remover and a brush right next to me when I'm filming this because I knew I would mess this up somehow. That dry, and I did a second coat and went ahead and did my other 4 nails so you can see the finished product on all but one. Look, if you wanted to, you could totally leave that one blank, but I'm not going to. This is my Born Pretty stamping plate. I think I got this on AliExpress, and it's just a whole bunch of different texture looks. There's so much you can do with this one. It's actually quite an awesome stamping plate. I'm going in with this Revlon nail polish Steal Her Heart number 907. I have no idea if this is still available, but considering this bottle is at least 10 years old, I'm going to assume it's not, but who knows. You're welcome to look that up if you want to. So I'm going to use my stamper and my little card that came with it, and I'm going to put a little bit of this grey polish over this corner stamping section. And then I'm going to take my scraper, scrape away the excess. I don't know why I did that so slowly. Pick up the image, and there you can see it on the stamper. And now all I'm going to do is press that onto my nail. Now when I did my other nails, I did put on a liquid latex around my other nails, but I know that weirds some people out, so I did not do that for this one. And I just have a piece of sticky tape stuck to the desk next to me to get rid of the excess on the stamper, and it actually works really well. So just to add a bit of an accent to these, I added this Silver Dollar 928, I believe. Did I even read that right? Whatever. This is a like very shiny silver polish, and I just added a little bit of this over the top just to give it a bit of an accent. This again, I would think was bought in the same lot of nail polish as the last one, so quite old. Just a little bit of a stamp there and straight onto the nail wherever you want it to. And there you go. Stamping done. It's really simple. It's really easy. You need to have absolutely zero creativity or artistic ability to do this one, and that is why I love it. Even if you do it badly, it works out every time. So you now want to just quickly clean up your stamper. Just taking regular nail polish remover, And oh, thank goodness I sped this up, otherwise we would have been here forever. Alright, go ahead and clean all my stamping stuff. I like to do this just after I've stamped because that way you've got less nail polish stuck hanging around. Now I'm taking a little angled makeup brush and I've dipped it in my nail polish remover, and I'm now just going to get rid of all of the excess stamp that went all over my nail and surrounds. So this is exactly as hard as it looks. I'm not going to lie, this was not easy. I'm terrible at this. I'm also terrible at getting the camera to focus too. But we're going to deal with it because I can't be bothered fixing that, and I'm not doing the whole thing again. Alright, I'm now going in with my Maniology smudge-free top coat. Smudge-free is good, so it won't smudge your stamping design. You can at this point, so this is the only top coat I'm going to do, but you could go in with a gel top coat as well if you really wanted to, or any top coat. I just like to use the smudge-free one to make sure that I don't ruin all of the hard work I just put in, but you can go over the top of this one with gel as well, is what I would normally do. But you will notice that I have skipped the nail I've done in the tutorial for now, just to make sure that the stamping is dry, because the last thing I want to do is have to redo that all over again. Especially because I used regular nail polish as a base, I can't just take off the stamp on this example. And there you have it, that is the finished mani. Super simple, super easy, cracked marble effect with a bit of a silver accent. If you enjoy this video tutorial, please give me a like and subscribe, that would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one.